In this video, I will be teaching you on how to deposit USDT in your BitMart. So first, you need your BitMart to be installed on your device, and once you already downloaded it, make sure to open your application and sign in on your account. And once you're already in, just simply click the deposit button right here. And once you click the deposit button, just utilize the search bar if you don't see your USDT. Just simply search it and you can now see the USDT, which is the Tutor USD. After that, once you click in, there are a bunch of network that supports the USDT, which is the BSC or the BNB Smart Chain, the Solana, TRX or Tron, Ethereum, Matic, Polygon, and many more. So for example, you are going to deposit in the network of Solana. You need to click the Solana for you to able to receive an USDT with the network of Solana. After that, you just need to click the confirm button for you to able to generate or see your wallet address in USDT in the network of your Solana. Every network in each cryptocurrency has a unique and own wallet address, so be careful on using them. And that's how you deposit USDT in BitMart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.